I'm really sorry for the quality of this video because it's daytime and I just thought I shouldn't use the ring light. Hope you bear with it. And sisters, please help me out here. I'll not exist in the YouTube community if you don't subscribe to my channel. I'm very kind out here. Please subscribe to my channel, please. So I'm gonna use Fit Me foundation and uh, just dab it onto my hands. Take some of it onto my hands and dab it onto the blender. Or I can also do the other way around, but at the same time, that's a personal preference. Let's kick it up, sisters. As you can see, this is sheer. This is like sheer, and I don't like sheer foundation, although I have to bear with it because it's daytime and I cannot be a ghost there in daytime. Sheer foundations are pretty much, what to say, not my type. Please bear with it. And I would like suggest you keep two foundations in your stash. Just keep two foundations in your stash. It should be a sheer foundation, it should be a full coverage foundation. The brand is your preference, but at the same time, just have two foundations in your stash, girls. You need that. As you can see, I didn't prime my face earlier, so what to do, sisters? I just forgot about it. I know when the Muha forgets about primer, then she's gone. But at the same time, I have a quick fix for it, and I'll use the Forest Essentials Soundarya cream to fix it up. And I'll show you the cream, how it looks like, how the packaging is like. This is a Forest Essentials Soundarya cream, and this is quite expensive, but at the same time, I'll say it's worth it because it's very moisturizing. It has SPF 25 in it. Look at the packaging, guys. This is the Forest Essentials Soundarya cream. It's got a very creamy texture to it. And then I apply some of it just to give it a creamy finish. Hey, I'm back. As you can see, the Soundarya cream kills two birds with one stone, and it does the work of a sunscreen as well as a quick fix if you have forgotten about the primer. So you can use it in moisturizer and just tap it on. So then it will look very clear and very nice on your face. As this has given a very drab look to my face, I'll go ahead and contour my face with the Smashbox contouring kit. To see, the packaging is yummy. I'd say yummy. Yes, look at this. This is my holy grail contour. So I'll even show it to you guys. This is what it looks like. So I'm just bronzing it. Make sure you hide all the unnecessary detailing of your face, which you would like to hide, the parts which you really like. I'll not say hate. I know all of you are perfect, all of you are good. This is the look after contouring. Hope you like it. And now I'll be moving on to one of my favorite eyeshadows. I'll let you know. For the eyeshadow palettes, I'll be using, guess, the most famous Huda Beauty Nude palettes. And now, let me open it up. See? Guys who are new to my channel will definitely know that I am obsessed with this lady, Huda. I love her beauty products, I love her eyeshadows, and I'm an eyeshadow person, so what else can you expect? And as I'm wearing this mustard colored top, so I would like to top it up with some of the nude colors, and it's also daytime, so I like to play it really and cool and guys, just look at the palette and just look at her. She's amazing, and I feel that I'll be amazing too after applying this color. It's just being funny. So So people who are new to my channel, I would like to suggest that I'll be holding a contest soon of the first 50 subscribers of my channel, and there will be a lucky draw wherein 3 of the people will win Wet n Wild products. I am going to announce it soon after a couple of videos, so stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me put the eyeshadows first. So to start with, I'm gonna go with this color right here. No, this is a shimmer, so I won't go with this color. I'll go with Tease. Let me tap it up on a very basic eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna cut a crease with it. The next shade I'm gonna go with is the Teddy Tone to give it a nude finish, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner and draw it out. Oh, they have a concealer right here. It's so nice. So this palette comes with a concealer. Don't forget this palette. It is a must buy and it's totally worth your money. Just dabbing on the concealer. Oh, this is such a pigmented eyeshadow. I just love it. This is the shade Excite. Hey guys, You know that I have finished this look, and you don't need any other lipstick or something to top it up because the eyes are already dreamy and nice. So go ahead on this look with a brunch date. And for this Valentine's week, I wish you a happy Valentine's Day. And if you like this, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.